For many of us, our normal life has been turned upside down during this quarantine. And if you're like me, your living room has been turned into an at-home gym. Hi, I'm Ashley Hofstrand, one of the artistic directors for Pureology. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 fun hairstyles that we can add to our hair. So not only our yoga pants can be our #1 accessory during this quarantine, but why not have a little fun with our hair as well? You're going to need 2 things. That's it, just 2 for the 2 styles that we're going to do. So grab your comb and grab a pack of elastics and meet me back here. For our first look, we're gonna start out with one of my favorite Pureology products from our Style Plus Protect line, our Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. So I love doing this before a workout and just spraying right at my roots, even if you just wash your hair and let it air dry, and working that in. And what this is gonna do is just help protect from all the sweat as we start to work out, and we can have our hairstyles last a little bit longer. So once we do that, we're gonna go from our temple to our temple, gathering that first bit of hair and putting it into an elastic. Opening up. Here's a fun trick I like. Instead of winding around the hair itself a bunch of times, using our fingers, and we're gonna twist until it's tight, making sure the rest of our hair isn't in there. And then coming back around that ponytail one more time. Gathering our next section of hair, making sure that we don't add the tail of our ponytail that we just added. Using our fingers just to comb that up. And an inch behind that section, we're gonna gather ponytail. Pull those ends together, minus the first ponytail, ends through, twist the elastic a few times for tension. There we go. So now we have 1, 2 ponytails. We're gonna pull our first one through, separate that into 2 pieces. And now we're gonna add our next section of hair down the sides to the tail of our first ponytail. I'm gonna turn around. All right. And now this section, now we're gonna lift out the second ponytail. And this section is gonna sit underneath our section previous. So now we'll take the ponytail from our second ponytail, separate that into 2, and continuing just to gather hair up the side. So on one side, here's my ponytail, gathering hair on the other side. Now I'm gonna pull that tail over to the side and out of the way, gathering that hair into the ponytail. So you guys can see how much easier the hair doesn't get caught when we just wind it around our fingers. Together. So now we're going to take our wind toss texture spray and we're going to spray that down the middle of our braid. What I love about our Style Plus Protect line is not only are you getting the texture or the softness, or if you're using your hairspray, the holds, but we're also protecting your hair color. All right, so now what we're going to do is take where all those tails were and just start to rouge it out and mess it up a little bit. If you have shorter bangs or shorter layers, just be careful not to pull it out too much. So there you have it, our first fierce look for our at-home workouts. Using our comb to help make this just a little bit easier, start to comb the hair back, and we're gonna use the bottom of our comb and draw a diagonal line from our front hairline to our part line. And using our elastic trick from the pull-through braid, we'll go around the ponytail once, and then we're just gonna use that tension from our fingers to wrap, and then pull those in through once. So now we're gonna lay the tail of our ponytail down, and that's gonna go in the section where we want the braid to go. repeating that same section that we did, diagonal section up. So now what we're gonna do is be gathering all of that hair together. So now we're gonna take all that section, so our ponytail is gonna be getting thicker and thicker. And we wanna make sure that we're separating the ponytail from the rest of the hair. This is just gonna make it a lot easier. Here's our ponytail. Twist, 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 and pull. All right, so now we can see that that is tight. We haven't loosened it up yet. I'm gonna grab one other product real fast. This is my favorite product for when I am deconstructing any sort of braid. It's our Mess It Up texture paste. It's infused with shea butter. So a lot of times with traditional paste and texturizers, you get a lot of stiff hold or kind of that stick and that tack. And with the Mess It Up texture paste, we're not gonna get that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pinch and hold on to the base of our elastic and just pull out the sides. There. And when we get to the top, if you have a shorter fringe like myself or lots of little layers, again, just being careful not to pull them out too much. Now we can come through to our lengths, and you guys can see I just added a few more bubbles. So go around a couple times with our elastic and then spreading out. There we have it. A double bubble braid. Perfect hairdo to accompany your at-home workout. And don't forget to nourish your hair while you are taking care of yourself. So remember, add in your favorite superfood mask or your leave-in spray before you pull your hair into either one of these looks or even just into a ponytail and a top knot. For more tips and tricks, follow me at Ashley Coffee on Instagram, and be sure to follow and subscribe Hair.com, where you're always going to get the latest and greatest from them. Stay safe, stay healthy,